Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best ergonomic keyboards. Starting at number 3, Microsoft Ergonomic. You really can't go wrong with this handy little power performer according to verified reviews. Customers say it has the ideal shape for keeping wrists neutral and for preventing fatigue. Like other models direct from Microsoft, this one is ergonomist approved. Users with issues like carpal tunnel syndrome, ganglion cysts or RDI all say this keyboard helps keep them comfortable. The overall keypad for each hand is compact, but keys are ideally sized and lined up, buyers say. Characters are white on black and are easy to see while typing. You'll also love the built-in shortcuts, according to reviews. Type, emote, and crunch numbers quickly with less strain. Many keyboards offer wrist rests, tilt adjustments, and other accoutrements to improve ergonomics, but few go as far as Microsoft's Ergonomic keyboard. This board is split in half like a parting Red Sea. There's a giant gap in the middle that bulges upward. The upward bulge means the ergonomic keyboard strictly forces your hands apart, so they aren't tempted to roam freely above the keys. They're coerced into taking up positions once taught in middle school typing classes, with your pointer fingers resting above the F and J keys and all of the other fingers assigned to strike specific keys. Meanwhile, your wrists remain on the luxuriously soft, oversized fabric wrist rest, which also has a bulge in the middle to further enforce hand separation. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Edesso PCK-208B. This model has an ideal shape for where your hands naturally lie. It's left-right angled, the setup most often recommended by professionals. Number and power keys are straight to follow the natural reach of your hand. This too-high keyboard stands a little taller than some models. It curves ergonomically into an extra-wide palm and wrist bar. Verified reviewers say their wrists stay at a natural angle, with less strain. There are 105 keys for the complete home, office and media experience. It's wireless, which makes it convenient to store, tote and use when you're on the road, verified buyers note. Mechanically suspended keys give the right sensitivity. Users say they're durable and will last through years of use. Check out the description for more information and latest price. And number 1 of this list, Perixx Periboard-512. This wave pattern keyboard with 3D design comes at a price verified customers say is just right. It's inexpensive enough to have more than one for all of your household or work computers. There's no skimping on performance, however. The keyboard has a left-right split design for a natural lay of the hands. Buyers say the keys have a responsive, easy touch. When set up, the keyboard sits higher than some models. Verified reviewers say that makes for a straighter hand to wrist. They use it for the office, home or for problems such as carpal tunnel syndrome. The 512 is compatible with Windows 7 to 10. It has a wired USB with 2.0 connection. You also get a generous 6 feet of cable, which verified reviewers say is just right. As indicated above, some of the disadvantages of a wireless keyboard include the need to charge or the requirement of batteries. Because this product is wired, users don't have to worry about running out of charge on this ergonomic keyboard. While some might see batteries as a minor inconvenience, in actuality it will be irritating down the line, having to constantly replace the batteries, leading to additional unexpected fees just for maintaining a wireless keyboard. I have included this product links in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends.